Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we show you trending Pinterest pins and recreate them with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. This week we did not take any requests, but we recreated our Sweetheart table from our latest spring and summer lookbook featuring the Jane and Audrey collections. Here is a picture from the shoot, but we're going to recreate this for you.
Yes.
So what products do we need?
So the only products you'll need today are 3 of our Jane swags, 7 of our white cherry blossom garland, a roll of our French wired ribbon in bridal white, and about 6 of our white rose loose stem.
Yep.
Real touch white rose loose stem.
Okay, and then the structure, you just need an arch or something to tie the garlands or the floral chains to, and then zip ties.
Yep. And if you wanted to use a little column, we got these off of Etsy, but again we can link them below, some similar ones from Amazon.
Yeah. All right, now I guess let's get into it. First thing we're gonna do is attach our cherry blossom garland to the stand that we have. We're using, what do you call this, like pipe and drape?
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
A pipe and drape.
We're using a pipe and drape stand, but you can use anything, really. An arch. You can tie it to the ceiling. I don't know.
Yeah, you can.
And we're just gonna space them out.
Our French wire ribbon in the shade bridal white.
I feel like other colors could look really cute too.
Yeah, like pink.
Yeah, or the blue would be sweet.
Yeah.
We have this in a few different colors.
And red.
We have red and like a gold brown, but these colors would be super cute too. But we're using white today.
So to measure this, you can do them different lengths if you want. We're gonna kind of measure it about 4 inches above the end of the garland so our florals can hang, because we're tying our Real Touch white rose stems into this.
Yeah, so you need to take into account the length of the ribbon, the length of the rose stem, and like how it falls in comparison to the garland.
Yeah. So,
but it's supposed to look like uneven, so don't think too hard about it.
So just I think we threw them away because they were good. Wait, maybe let's use this. Here's one.
Strands of them.
So you're gonna tie a knot at the top and kind of hide it behind, just so you have one string of ribbon. And then you're gonna take your white rose stem and tie it to the end of the stem. Next, you're gonna just keep like measuring. Like Abby said, they don't have to be perfect, so just cut them actually wherever you want.
Who cares? It's your wedding day. Yeah. Cut them wherever you.
We're just here to guide you, not to tell you exactly what to do.
Take our advice, leave our advice.
We are just
It's your wedding. Do what you want.
to help.
Yeah, like her getting a one-on-one when they pretty much just have one. Okay, and there you have it.
Yep.
Your floral chains. Dainty, cute, ceremony backdrop, photo op.
Anything.
Yeah.
So next we're going to show you how to make the sweetheart table in front of this that we did for our lookbook photo shoot using our Jane swags. So we'll show you how to do that next.
Everyone's favorite paper columns, which we didn't buy these on Amazon, but we'll find similar ones
And link it.
put it in our storefront. Okay. They go right here.
I think so, yeah. So then you're just going to place our Jane swag on top of each column. And then place the final one in the center. If you didn't want to use 3 swags and you just wanted to rent 2 and you have a bridal bouquet, you could totally place your bridal bouquet on the top of the table if you wanted. But that is basically it.
Yeah, super easy. Sweetheart table.
And obviously this would be further back if you had it on your sweetheart table. But
Yeah, super cute.
yeah.
Okay, and there you have it, our floral chain sweetheart table featuring the Jane collection. And as a reminder, this is part of our How To with SBBlooms series, where we recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers. This season we have been taking requests from the audience where you can submit for us to recreate a ceremony backdrop, a tablescape, an install, literally anything, and you can let us know what collection you want to see. You can tell us your budget, drop some inspiration pictures, which are key to this whole series. But if you want to submit a request of your own, the form is in the description below, and each week we'll pick a new one to recreate.
Yeah, so we did all of this for just under $300. It actually came out to $288, so an amazing deal. You can put this behind your sweetheart table for a photo backdrop, ceremony, anything you want it can be used for. But yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See you next time.
Bye.